Breaking the Wall of Preclinical Studies. Agnieszka Zuchowska, Falling Walls Lab, Warsaw.
For sure, each of you knows at least one person with the cancer. Maybe this is someone from your family, from your friend, or maybe friend of the friend. And now think about how often you have heard it about the new innovative anti-cancer therapy. Often, right? However, the statistics remain the same. Cancer is still the second cause of death worldwide. Probably now you would like to ask me why. So before the drug will be put into the use, it needs to undergo a series of studies, which are divided into preclinical studies conducted on in vitro cell cultures models or animal models, and clinical trials performed on the group of humans. However, the statistics say that from 250 drugs which were accepted after the preclinical research, only 5 were accepted, get good results after the clinical trials. What is only 2%? Why? Because preclinical models is not good reproduction of human organisms. So that is why my idea is to create the good preclinical model which reproduce in better way than the standard models the human body. In my research, I use the already known approach, which is organ on a chip. However, our body, it's not only the one organ. That is why I created the device in which I reproduce the combination of 3 important organs in evaluation of anti-cancer drug. First, the tumor tissue, so my target tissue, the liver, because this organ plays an extremely important role in drug metabolism, and the third organ, on which I will check the side effect of my tested drug. In my case, it was the heart, because this organ is really sensitive, not only for anti-cancer drugs, but for all of them. How I did this? I took the human cells and I created an environment which is much more similar to the human organism than the preclinical already known models. I create the vasculature connection, I create the proper environment, reproduction of extracellular matrix, I create the conditions which are fluidic conditions. Moreover, I create the proper scale of these organs. In this way, and with my device, maybe not 5, but at least 100 drugs will be accepted in the clinical trials, and maybe finally we will find the proper anti-cancer drug. Thank you.